he sees that the myelin, meaning the connection or the insulator between the connections between the neurons. See, these things, as we said before, it's in Urdu, that you have to get on with it. Na husn kalam se, just by talking and wishing, laysa bil amani, wishes and desires. I want to become like Imam Bukhari. I want to become like Abu Hanifa. I want to become like Hani rahmatullah alayh. I want to become like Fulan and Fulan and Fulan. I want to read Quran like Abdul Basit. Our neurons don't respond to those. Our neurons respond to the effort we put in. So if you want to become like Qadi Abdul Basit or Sheikh Sudais or Sheikh Suraim, may Allah have mercy on them all, you have to do mashq. You have to repeat those verses hundreds and thousands of times until your tongue becomes trained, your mouth becomes trained. You get this, you get your tune, you get the pronunciation, you get the makharij, you get the sifat, and then everything else. So your wishes is not going to make you any better. You might hear a story, it motivates you, but that motivation you have to put into practice. When you put it into practice, you start getting better. And again, you have to remember, don't become demotivated when you see somebody at a very, very high level and you're very far behind. They may have had 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years ahead of you. They'll be 100 hours ahead of you, 200 hours ahead of you. You see your teachers, you see a student at a higher level, they're about 200, 300, 400 hours ahead of you. You see a student a couple of years ahead of you, they're about 800 hours ahead of you, 900 hours ahead of you in study. So you're behind. But with the same effort, you can get to that level. With practice and making that cart, making that pathway between the neurons, meaning keep doing it over and over again, that pathway becomes a natural way of movement. If you don't practice, it's not going to get any better.